Hey guys, I'm here at the mall, just got out of the Apple store. I'm with Elias right now, and we just got our 16 Pros.
Yep.
So this is mine. I'm gonna be unboxing this in this video. I also got this screen protector in this case.
Same here.
And he's got a bunch of other stuff that he's gonna open. Yeah, I'm gonna get started with this. So here it is, just gonna peel this up, and
Why does it tear unevenly like that? I don't like that, which I did not see before.
wow, so that is a lot more gold than I thought it would be. I actually like that. Mine's dirty out of the box.
Mine is too. There's a smudge on it.
It's way heavier. And then,
It's slightly.
oh, I should have asked them for Apple stickers. I think you can like request Apple stickers now.
So this is actually a pretty nice color.
That's way different right there. So here's the cable. And then here is, I guess, just the iPhone text.
It's
So-
round now.
Yeah, that's cool. So I'm gonna put my case and screen protector on this thing, and I will be right back. So it's a lot later now, but I finally have everything switched over to the 16 Pro from my 15 Pro. So I was definitely pretty interested to see how the new screen size increase would actually feel. And it's very noticeable, actually. When I first unboxed it, it didn't feel like too noticeable. But after actually using it for like a couple hours now, I think it's really noticeable in the right scenarios. I don't like big phones. I don't like the phone screen size increasing, but at least the housing of the phone stayed pretty close to what it used to be. This is definitely a pretty big change, 89% battery health to 100, probably like 104 on this actually, but yeah, that's definitely going to be interesting to see how the battery performs in these next few days. I have, all my cellular stuff set over, so I guess I'm going to see how 5G performs. I know that everyone's been saying that iPhones are going to get a new Apple modem for years now, but whether or not this has that new Apple modem, I don't know. iOS 18 isn't like as annoying as I would have thought it was, but it is definitely not something that I want to be getting used to. I just think there's a lot of things in iOS 18 that make no sense. Right now, I basically have my control center and everything set up the same way that it was on iOS 17, but I might change a few things around here. I mean, there are a few things here that I don't even remember adding, like sound recognition. I don't know why some of this stuff is even in my control center. I don't remember adding stuff like that, but I guess I'll have to clear some of that out later. Like guided access, why is this in the control center in the first place? But yeah, and in case anyone's wondering, I did not trade the 15 Pro in. This is the first time that I've kept my like main Pro phone after I got the next generation Pro phone, I think ever. I just kept this because I wanted a second phone to kind of have around that's actually good. USB-C is something that I really like having. I ended up trading in my 12 Pro just for a bit of extra money towards this. So I have the 15 Pro still. Probably gonna change this case out because this case is tearing the sides like up really bad on this phone. Yeah, here's a pretty in-depth look at the difference between natural titanium on my 15 Pro and desert titanium on the 16 Pro. I thought it was going to be a subtle difference, but it looks way different. This is like gray, and this is actually kind of gold. I like this color a lot. I liked natural titanium, especially in the right lighting, but I just think this color is so much nicer. With that said, I am going to finish setting everything up here, and yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye. The rest of the video is just going to be random clips that I recorded on my 3GS today. I like bringing this thing around places and just recording random things with it. It's pretty cool to have this old camera effect.
Yeah, rubberized. Give me a moment. Let me finish checking this person out, and I'll see if I have that. Hey, what's the problem? Hello. I was just wondering if there's anything else that he needed to get along with this. Or just the only thing. Just the one he didn't get. Okay. No cases or anything like that. Okay.
The 16 right here. I'm not looking at the capture button. I don't want to see it yet. Okay. That is a very good color though. Here we still got the 14 and 15. The SE over there is the pink iPhone 16, but I'm not going to go look at it because
So we're at the mall waiting for the 16 Pro pickup. He forgot his stuff at his hotel.
I forgot my iPad flip cover, my phone case, and my phone screen protector. So
Yeah, I'm just here and just edit this video while I was waiting for him because I got here like 45 minutes ago.
I've got my iPhone 2G.
What stuff do you bring to the iPhone launch event?
So these, I just had them in my backpack.
Like all I brought is like my MacBook to edit some stuff.
Yeah.
My 3GS.
I brought my iPhone 7.
Dude, you brought like half of your hotel.
Now let's see what's in the front of my backpack.
Did you bring like the entire like iPhone lineup colors?
This is my Series 7 gold with the Series 10 gold right here.
I like the Series 10 gold.
Mine used to be more gold when I first got it though.
Series 9 versus 10. Where's the black Series 10?
What can I get? Give me a moment, I'll help you out with that. Give me 1 moment.
It looks a lot darker in person. Here's the capture button. Here's the aquamarine, I think they call this.
It's not a bad color, but that's gonna be super popular.
Yeah. And then I like the green. I like the blue. The white looks a lot nicer this year too. It actually looks white and not like every other color, kinda.
Take one more.
Here's the black color. Wow, it looks thinner this year. Look,
Huh?
looks thinner this year.
No, the 15 was thin.
I don't remember. I'm gonna check a 15 out and see if it's that thin.